Hello. Hello. Am I audible to you people?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Let me feel joined. Okay. Okay, I'm starting the class right now only. So Aryan, Sanju, Rajkumar, Kanaya, Vivek. You people are all here. First thing is that today we are going to start our first experiment. This is experiment number 1. It is of group discussion. Okay, so I will say that all of you get ready with your notebook and pen or pencil, whatever you have, because what we are sharing over here, all things you don't have to write. And please listen carefully. You have to make a copy. If anyone is having any confusion regarding this practical copy, that how you have to prepare you all. So anyone is having any kind of confusion or any doubts, they can clear up, because in the previous class I have already discussed that which type of practical copy you have to make and how you have to write, where you have to use the black and the blue pen. Okay, after this class, means after both the session at 3 o'clock, I will share a Google feedback form. You have to fill up, all of you, and I will mark your attendance over there. Okay, so first we are going to, so from your side, I want to know, anyone is having any doubt about how you have to make your practical copy, he or she can speak. Because it is very necessary that how you will have your copy. A practical notebook, how you have to make, any confusion, anyone? You may ask. Anyone, any confusion? Okay. So now I'm starting the class. Group discussion. What are the different objectives? What things you have to write, I will say you. Then in a group discussion, what we are going to discuss about the dynamics of group discussion after the intervention, summarization, modulation of voice, body language, and relevance, fluency, and coherence. Can anyone say me what do you mean by relevance? What do you mean by the word relevance? Any one of you, otherwise I will call your name. Deepak Gorai, what do you mean by relevance? You have heard the word relevant? Any one of you have heard this word relevant? Have you heard this word relevant? Relevant means?
Yes.
Okay. So what do you mean by relevant? Have you heard milta julta? Very similar.
Ma'am, similar.
Yes, quite similar. Milta julta. Not exactly, you can say this is similar. Okay. That means milta julta. Now, objectives. Now, please note it down. First things you have to write experiment number 1. That is group discussion. Written. After that, objectives. You have to write objectives. After objectives, the 3 points are there. You don't have to write 1, 2, 3. How I dotted, I have mentioned. Similarly, you have to write this dotted to understand the characteristics of successful group discussion. To identify areas of evaluation in group discussions conducted by organization as part of the selection procedure. To chalk out strategies to exchange opinions and suggestions in Group discussions. There is a mistake I have done over here. There will be a space. Okay. After group discussion, there will be a space. Now, introduction part. Anyone, can you say me in a very simple language what do you mean by group discussion? Any one of you can say me what do you mean by group discussion? In a very simple language, what do you mean by group discussion?
Ma'am, delivering our views on a particular topic.
Okay, very good. Next. Next. Next, any one of you? Next, any one of you, what do you mean by a group discussion?
Ma'am, delivering our views towards formally or informally to discuss ideas, solve problems, or make comments.
Okay, very good. If I will say you, when you choose a group discussion, the topic should be argumentative or it should be abstract or it should be of general knowledge. Should it is appropriate to choose any kind of argumentative topic in group discussion? Is it correct to choose any argumentative topic for a group discussion? May I know from your opinion side?
Ma'am, sometime.
Sometime. Can you say me in what condition? Should it hurt anyone's? Can a group discussion topic should be like that? Yes or no?
No, ma'am. It shouldn't
No,
hurt
ma'am.
anyone.
No. See, if we choose any kind of argumentative topic in a group discussion, then it becomes a debate. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
It will create a debate. Now, introduction. In this introduction part, we are going to introduce what is a group discussion. Group discussion refers to a communicative situations that allows its participants to express views and opinions about a particular topic. It is a systematic oral exchange of information, views and opinions about a topic, issue, problem or situation among members of a group who share certain common objectives. So what is according to here, what are the objectives? Here, what do you understand by this term objective? What do you mean by this objective?
The part which we have to focus.
The part which we have to focus. Hey, who is here? Riding on a bike and just talking. Rajkumar Mechanical. Okay. Common objectives. Group discussion refers from debate in nature, approach and procedure. Are initiated to advocate a particular point of view, while group discussion raises a particular issue for a positive exchange of views, unlike debate, which is competitive in nature. Group discussion is basically a cooperative group process. See, these are introduction means. First, I will explain to you. The introduction part is that what do you mean? First, there is the explanation. There is a little bit definition of this group discussion. Now, whenever you will be in an interview, the first thing is that are you capable of making a group? Are you Discuss your point of views with a group, because in any company, any kind of problems are being means come to a solution after a discussion. So they will see first in an employer that the employer is being to take other opinions, as well as he gives an opinion. The first quality of a leader that he should listen to anyone. After that, he should give his opinions to the other persons, because everyone is not perfect in their problem solving methodology. So any kind of problem can be resolved by making a group discussion with your team members, partners, as well as your friends. Now you are studying, so you can discuss with your friends that how you can overcome with that situation or that problem. So there is different objectives. The part of this objective is means to understand the characteristics. First, when you will get a topic, you have to understand that what the topic wants to say. First, you have to identify the problem, that what is the problem that we have to solve. After this identification of this problem, you have to make an evaluation, that in which areas the problems are coming and how we can evaluate them. So evaluation is a major part. After that, after evaluation, you have to conduct any kind of things that you think it is the best part or the best procedure by which you will come to this conclusion. Conclusion means the last part, that you have resolved all those things. Now you will be doing the various kind of strategies to change the opinions, to take other people opinion suggestion, and in that conclusion part you have to write. I will show you in the next class, means in the second session I will show you this class today, which class I am taking of yours. This class have already been taken for the CSE students. So I've given them some of the tasks and they have done it very nicely. Some of the students have understood very nicely and they have done the activity part also. They have written in their copies also very nicely. Now, objectives you have to write. First, you have to write experiment number one. After that, one group discussion. You have to write the objectives. The three objectives are here. After that, you have to write the introduction part. Now, introduction part. Group discussion differs from debate in nature, approach, and procedure. Debates are intended to advocate a particular point of view, while group discussion raises a particular issue. See what I have already told you, that it raises a particular issue for a positive exchange of views. And it is quite different in part of nature, because a debate follows a limited approach, because the speaker is being argued, the whose points are strong, that they argue, whose are not. They miss one by one, they used to cut each other points in a debate, but in a group discussion is that thing that we have to respect each other's views. Our main motto for is that we have to just overcome with the solution. We want solution. In a group discussion, the main motto is that the solution part, not arguing part. Got it? Next. Single viewpoint. In a group discussion, approach is not limited to single viewpoint. One more thing I'm going to ask you people, have you made a group? I've already told in the previous class that you have to make a group. Have you people formed your group? Because these things you have to, in the next class, if you have not formed group, please form a group. Because in a group only, I will give you part-wise part the work. I've already told you, please mail me or please make your group of 4 if you are not able to make, but not more than 6 you make the group, and less than 4 not, and more than 6 not, because today's activity part is your group activity part and you all have to do. So if you have not done form your group, then please form your group so that it will be easy for you people. and whatever experiments, whatever activity we are doing in this class, you must submit it. Today is Saturday. On Friday, means till Friday, you have to submit it in the Google Classroom. All of you know the Google Classroom code for you people? Is there anyone who don't know the Google Classroom code? Please tell me in the class only. Is there any person who don't know the Google Classroom code? Then please tell me.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, what? You know, yes, you know, or you don't know?
Don't know, ma'am. Google.
Okay, you don't know the Google Classroom code. Okay, I am sharing your Google Classroom code again. Please note it down and join over there. Here only I will share the notes, and here only you have to submit your experiment. Please, till Friday, you submit your experiment, because after Saturday, you don't submit. I've already one experiment activity you have to submit 1 week time, 4 to 5 days time is enough for you people to submit. Till Friday, please submit in the Google Classroom. And how you have to do, I will definitely show to you people. Okay, now I am sharing the screen with you all. Anyone who don't know, please see the Google Classroom code. This is the Google Classroom code. Can you see? Can you see this code?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is your Google Classroom code where you have to submit your assignment on all those things. Should I stop the screen sharing right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, when I have already opened this, then I will show you one more thing. See, the children's of the students of CSC, how they have submitted. Like this procedure only you all people have to submit. When you will submit your name, your branch, student ID, registration number. Okay. Can you see it? Please
Yes,
look.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
please.
ma'am.
Yeah, please look carefully that how you have to write the experiment and how you have to submit. And anyone who have not made the front page, please make it first, because it's the most important thing, because of submitting each of the experiment, first page is mandatory. See how they have done. I've explained to them very nicely, they have done. See, this is the first page how you have to make. Okay. After that, you have to click the first page for every experiment. This is for experiment number 1. In the experiment 2, again you have to click the first page. After that, you have to write experiment number 2. See, experiment number 1, what things you have to write is that objectives to understand the characteristics of successful group discussion, to identify areas of evolution in group discussion conducted by organization as part of the selection procedure, to chalk out strategies to exchange opinions and suggestions in group discussion. After that is intro part. This introduction part you all have to write. Okay. Next one. After introduction, this is group discussion strategies. This group discussion strategies should be written in the blank page. It should be written in the blank page, which is in the right hand side. Sorry, left hand side of your practical copy. After what? This group discussion introduction, you have to write it on the left hand side of your practical copy. After that, characteristics of successful group discussion, types of topics. Again, this point you have to write in the left hand side, exchanging opinions, suggestions, proposals. This is your first thing which you all have to do, how you to write. Now the second part which I will discuss with you people, it is about the activity part. First I will discuss. Now you have understood that how you have to write and submit. Any confusion regarding this submission part and writing part, please tell me. If you are having any doubts, please tell me. If you are having any doubts, please tell me and ask me. Hello. Hello.
No doubt, ma'am.
Then it's okay if you're having no doubts. Next is theory part. The term group dynamics. Here we have used the term group dynamics. Dynamics, can you tell me what does this word, particularly the word dynamics means?
Motion.
Dynamics means motion. And any other meaning? Group dynamics. So what you will say in the dynamics I have used?
Ma'am, because in a group there are different people with their different opinions or views.
Okay, anyone next? Anyone next? Group dynamics. Anyone next? It is a process. Okay. Here the word group dynamics used as a being the group process. That understanding anyone's behavior, how they are talking, the tasks of that group, that how they are trying to solve it. What is their process? This term is known as group dynamics. So here what you have used, group dynamics refers to the interaction between people who are talking together in a group setting. Okay. So in a group dynamics, what are the various things that we look upon? Basically, we talk about this interpersonal relationships. That what is the point of view? What is the relation among the people? What is the relation among the persons of that group? Are there conflict resolutions? Are they able to have a good anger management? Are they capable of making a good team? Okay. Now, what are different types of, if I will say this relationship, functions and behavior? What are those different types? To encourage any of the participant. If someone is hesitating to speak, he or she should, of the group member should encourage them. They should have a tension reliever. They should help in the communication. So we can say them as a communication reliever, means communication helper. A good observer. If anyone is having any kind of problem, then he should observe and just tell that how you can say it in a good way, how you can develop. And the most important thing is a trust builder. The group members should be trustworthy. It's a trustworthy. You should have a good quality to build anyone's trust. Next position, I will say about group dynamics. If I say about group dynamics, that means the group processes. So there is a team leader who's mainly the person who is capable to handle all kind of activities. If any one of this group is not, he has just his intention, he's a tension reliever. He should focus, he should balance on the tasks. Okay. Now there are two types of groups are there. There is a formal group and there is informal groups. The formal group basically refers to those which are being under legal authority. In this industrial areas, you have heard about this trade unions, trade union leader. They are of formal groups, and in this informal group, which you people belongs to, that friendship groups. Means you people used to have a personal contact, interaction. You are having a social networking of relationship among you. So your friendship group is an informal group. So according to here in the group dynamics, what objectives we can take out from here is to just identify and to analyze the social processes for the formation of a group or the development of a group, to have the necessary skills that are necessary for a group building or group discussion, to build the group in a more organized way by applying different techniques, and always have a positive impact for each other. So these are the things which we are having for a group dynamics. Now, here one thing is mentioned over here. It is a very good thing that a person who is very confident will offer more opinions. I have underlined this line. Please, any one of you can explain that a person who is very confident will offer more opinions. And here is one more thing, that a person who is shy is more likely to sit back in a group. Have you heard that you are the backbenchers? Hey, he is a backbencher. That means he is quite shy, he is not confident. The persons who are more confident, they basically sit on the first bench. Why? Because they know there is no problem wherever I sit. There is no tension. So a person who is very confident will offer more opinions. Okay, up to here I am clear. I will share this PDF to you people. You just go through once. The basic things I am discussing with you people. Till here, anyone is having any problem? He or she can just ask. Any problem, anyone of you? Then I will proceed. Anyone, any problem? Please tell me, otherwise I will proceed. No one. I think I am not audible.
No, ma'am, you are audible.
Where Anjali Chaudhary? Anjali Chaudhary.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Please suggest any of the topic for group discussion. Please you suggest any of the topic for group discussion on the recent trends. Get ready, the next class I will ask each one of you to suggest each one topic for group discussion based on the recent trends. What are the recent trends? On that you have to suggest a topic. Okay. In the next class, get ready. Next one, body language and voice modulation. This part also you have to write, body language and voice modulation. We know there are certain important things when we speak, that is our gesture, that is our hand movements, that is facial expressions, that is our eye contact. These things are very important part. So here is the thing, that body language and voice modulation. To understand the importance of body language in a group discussion, candidates must understand that it is not just the mouth that speaks, but the entire body acts as an instrument of speech. So one must first understand how our body speaks and then learn to manage and control the non-verbal messages that we send across to audience. Okay, what are those non-verbal messages that we are going to share with the audience? Have you seen the comedians are the person? They say the simple joke in a very creative manner. Not only their mouth speaks, their facial movements, their voice modulation, that things make them more attractive. If a normal person's re-speak that joke, people will not react so much, they will not laugh so much. But when a comedian says in his manner, then why people laugh? Ha 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 ha, people used to laugh in that manner because the facial expressions, the way they are speaking, the tone they are using, that attracts, that makes our mind, that we feel that we are in a curious, means in a we are about to miss, we are very in free mind, whatever say free mind. They make us, by their facial expressions, they used to create such kind of atmosphere. So whenever we discuss on any series of topics, at that time what we do, our facial expression definitely changes. When we speak, when we are in a cheerful mood, that time our facial expression, our gestures ended. Whenever we are angry, we are about to slap someone. If it is possible, then we will definitely slap that person. But when we are in a cheerful moods, we used to hold the hands, we used to hug them. This seems that how our voice and our body language differs. So whenever you in your group discussion, please concentrate on the words which you are speaking. Okay, now demonstrating a positive body language is important. Pay attention to the slightest details of postures and gestures during the group discussion. What do you mean by posture and what do you mean by gesture? There's a very common word, that is posture and gesture. What is the difference between this posture and gesture? If I say posture and gesture in communication, that means a posture means your pose, means in what position you are, and a gesture means the movement, how you are demonstrating your points, your ideas, your views. Okay, so this is the difference between posture and gesture. It's a very common word, but when we ask to a person, they don't able to differentiate between this posture and gesture. So we can say that our postures and gestures that are very much necessary for a group discussion or for any interview or for any kind of verbal communication. Posture and gestures play a very important role. And if you don't know the meaning of any certain words that you are using for making them weightage in your group discussion, please don't use such kind of words that you don't know their meaning. Now, learning forward slightly towards the group during the group discussion would go on to show that we are interested. Always, when anyone is speaking, when any group members, please don't make such a facial expression that shows that you are not interested. Be curious, because at last you are giving chance to ask questions. So when you will listen properly, that time you will be getting your questions and the group members will answer your questions. Now, see, these all parts you have to write in a group discussion. Positive body gestures. What are those positive body gestures? Walking upright, shaking hands confidently, etc. Often body language conveys a lot of messages that words may not. A positive body language increase and impact on others. Body language helps to build a rapport with others. Body language helps to understand with others may try to convey. Body language helps to control aggression and conflicts. body language can show you are energetic in a group discussion. Okay. So
Hello,
here,
ma'am.
yeah, Kanhaiya, hello.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of rap rot?
Rap rot means if you are saying something, which line it is? 1 minute.
Body
Yeah.
language helps to build
To
a
build a rapport with others, meant a connection between others. That means a connection.
Okay, ma'am.
That you are, I have told you, that connection, that if any group is speaking, please don't show that you are not interested in their discussion, that they are not speaking well. So rapport means understandable, means you are, but you are understanding those things, means you are understanding each of the feelings, means of your group members, who are understanding their feelings, what they want to say, means a good level, bolte na, balance
Yes,
of
ma'am.
ideas, that is rapport. Okay, next, when communicating, it is important for us to have a positive body gestures. These things are very common to you people. In the next class we will discuss about the activities. Okay, so see, you have to write the process of conducting. Please deduct it. The process of conducting, you don't have to write that how you will conduct a group discussion, does not. Okay, now characteristics of successful group discussion, you have to write. Areas of evaluation, you don't have to write. Types of topic, you have to write. Okay, this one you have to draw. I've already told where you have to draw. This one also you have to draw. Next you have to write, and this is 1 minute. See, this thing you don't have to write. Okay, parameters for assessment, process for writing the record. I am repeating again what things you have to write. Please note it down. In the second class we will having this activity part, and for that you have to make a file. Okay, so see, please, if you are here, then you can note it also. If you are not, then don't do. See, group discussion, objectives. Please tell me yes or no, you are getting me or not, because time is just 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, objectives. Objective part you have to write. Introduction part you have to write. Okay, introduction part you have to write. After that, body language and voice modulation in group discussion you have to write.
Ma'am, theory part.
No, which I am saying, just please write that one only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, process you don't have to write. Characteristics of successful group discussion you have to write. Types of topics you have to write. See, I have told you the types of topics. In the second class, I will ask you for the topics. Please, according to this 4 factual topics, controversial topics, abstract and case study, please choose any of the topics from there, and I will ask that which kind of topic it is. Okay, types of topics you have to write. And you have to draw this one, group discussion strategies, on the left hand side, the blank page. This table also you have to draw in the left hand side of the copy. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in the second, means in the next class, I will discuss with you people about the activity.